Alright, this is Christopher Foster once again, and this is a request assigned from 180. And the name of this video is SMO short Jeffy has the hiccups. So they're SMO drugs. Alright, let's check it out. Yay! Disclaimer or not, they're still gonna fuck you over if they see something you don't like on the video. Fucking weirdos. I'm changing this, by the way, after this reaction.
Hey, Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want? I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and take my pee-pee in the toilet seat. Jeffy, you have the hiccups. The hiccups? Why? I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that. I can't help it, Daddy. Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jeffy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time. Hold my breath? Yeah. Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath.
He's gonna die.
Oh, okay, you can breathe. Jeffy, breathe! You can breathe, Jeffy! Oh, no.
Realize, Jeffy,
What the fuck? He's not dead.
Forced him to hold his breath.
See it. You killed Jeffy, you bastard. Oh.
Oh, you're alive, Jeffy. Thanks, Daddy. Your hiccups are gone, Jeffy. Okay, that's it. I'm going to call a doctor, and he's going to help get rid of those, because I can't say they're annoying. Okay, Daddy.
All right, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
A doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy. He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What? There's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
They keep punching him.
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay,
Yep.
open your mouth, Jeffy. Say really get up in there. Smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to Yeah, that didn't work. All right, well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now is
You're gonna scare him.
I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right. Well, stage 2 is basically
You're gonna scare him.
That's not working.
You ain't scared of nothing, Jeff. You ain't scared of nothing. You ain't.
Yeah, still no.
Stop doing that. You ain't gonna flinch. You ain't gonna lose a
Stage 2
second.
is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
All right, a balloon.
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Ah, man, I really
That's
thought this was
creepy.
gonna work.
What?
All right.
That's
okay,
one of them
stage
zombie
2
babies
is
at Spirit
Like
Halloween.
that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
All right, on to stage 3.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
All right, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage.
Oh, that's gross. That sure is all soggy. Ugh.
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I gotta lay off for work today, Sharon.
Oh my god.
What is this? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not
Waste the cereal. Waste the cereal. Waste the milk.
Where's my kid so I can yell at him? Don't make me get the mask. Boo!
Why is it wet?
Did that work? All right, on to stage 4.
Yep.
All right, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage.
How do you get the apple to stay on his head?
And we shoot it
That's
off
weird.
with a crossbow.
A crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
Well, what happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly.
Oh my god.
But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
All right, let me go get my guy.
Just shoot it.
Oh. Man, I'm gonna get him eventually.
You ain't gonna get him eventually.
Let's do this.
Okay.
All right, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay.
Kill those hiccups.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Jeffy, are you okay? Yeah. Oh,
He still has them.
Hiccups, but look at that shot. Bullseye.
Well, what are we gonna do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
What?
Okay, on to stage 5.
Kill the wall.
Alright, so for stage 5, we got a bomb here.
What, a bomb?
Yeah, a bomb. Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires, and if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes and we all die.
Well, which wire does he cut?
The black one.
That's a phone strapped to a TV remote. That's all that is. Look at that.
Oh, okay, Jeffy, choose a wire. I don't know which one to pick.
Just choose the wire, Jeffy.
Oh, yeah, oh, okay, eeny, meeny, miny, just pick that one. What?
Did it work? Did I scare you?
You ain't gonna scare
Why did the
him,
bomb
man.
go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
That's right.
Yeah. Anyway, on to the next one.
Should have seen what it was.
Alright, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
You're gonna kill him.
The fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the twister mat.
What, the twister mat?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
Alright, champ, down you go.
Actually looks pretty.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone?
Nope.
What do we do now?
Alright, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
Alright, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. Alright, how much I owe you? Okay, let me just get my
70-72.
Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home.
What?
Oh no, how am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it and I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no, what a scary situation. How are we gonna pay you? What do we do? How embarrassing. Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now.
Yeah, we tried all 7 stages, so what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for
Incurable hiccups.
Alright. I have to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Oh, Daddy, I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Get out of here, you stupid fly!
That scared him. Of all things they did to him, that scared him, seriously.
Eat my face.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait, Jeffy, do you have hiccups? I don't think so. What? I think that fly. Cure his hiccups.
What?
God, now more
No,
has hiccups.
no, please don't tell me.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Boom!
How would you scare someone if they had? How would you scare someone if you had to? I showed my whole entire fucking room. Look at this shit. Yeah, that was funny though. Yeah. So I don't know what else to say except Happy National Jeffy Day. I have one more video to do, and then I might quit for tonight because we just got back from trunk or treating. Plus, I took that shelf outside, which killed my back. So, yeah. So, with that said, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. I'm getting the fuck out of here. My name is Chris Foster, and I approve this message.